Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So for today's video, I will be unboxing this PR from Teemu. They did go ahead and send me some really nice nail products and storage items. So please continue to watch the video to see everything that I got. Thank you so much, Teemu. Big thank you to you for all of this. I really appreciate it. So for the first item, I did go ahead and receive these storage containers for my press-on nails. I'm so happy because right now I have my press-on nails just in a little Ziploc bag, and I thought these were kind of cute, so I wanted to go ahead and try it out so I can display my nails and actually get to look at my work. And I'm just so grateful. They were pretty sturdy and they're really nice quality, so if you need something to store your press-on nails in, I highly suggest that you go ahead and purchase these for yourself. And I do have links in the description box that if you are a new user, you will go ahead and receive a $100 coupon bundle if you download the Temu app from my link down below. And I do have a code for you to save an extra 30% off if you are a new user, so make sure you hit that link in the description box. Next item that I got are these swatch sticks. You can never have too many swatch sticks, so I'm finally going to go ahead and just accumulate some swatch sticks for you guys. And then I did go ahead and get these, I don't know what they are. They're little things that you put the press-on nails on. I thought they were sticky, but I guess they're just the pieces, that are already measured out. So that's kind of helpful for me. So now I know how much of the double-sided tape to put. So the press-on nails will go on that, and I'll go ahead and put that in my display case. And it was a 50 pack, I believe. I'll double check, and I'll insert the picture for everything that I purchased as well, so you can see the prices and you could see exactly what it was that I got. And I did go ahead and get these 80/80 grit files. I was in desperate need of some files, so for when I'm filing the free edge of the nails at the end when I'm finished, I needed some really good files, and I finally got some 80/80 grit, and they felt pretty sturdy. And then I did go ahead and get some nail charms, so I'll go ahead and let you look at the different kinds of nail charms that I got, and I'll be back here in a bit. Next item that I got is this magnet wand, and I wanted this so bad because I want to use my magnetic gel polishes, and the little magnets that I got in a previous haul just really weren't cutting it for me, so I went ahead and purchased that. I've heard great things about it, and then I want to go ahead and use that in today's video. And then I did get this storage case, so whenever I'm on the go I can go ahead and carry, my brushes or dotting tools or whatever it is I need. I thought this was really nice. It's a really great quality, very sturdy and very handy. I'm so excited. Next item that I got is this other storage item for my nail drill. My husband bought me a cordless little mini drill and I absolutely loved it. Oh my god, it helped me so much, and it's nice not having a cord in the way, and it's a really nice portable nail drill. He got it for me for my birthday. So I highly recommend that you guys go ahead and you purchase this item as well. It does show in the picture that you can hold, the other type of drill. I've never really used one of those. I always have my Melody Susie nail drill that I use with the dust collector, but obviously that thing is way too big to put in here. So this is going to be perfect for me to put my nail drill. And as you can see, I still just keep it in the box that it came in. I'm not sure where he got it. I think he said he got it from Amazon. But look, as you can see right here, it fits really nice and it fits everything that comes with it. So I was just so happy to get this, and it's just a really nice item. I'm really been needing some storage items for my desk, and you'll see shortly here in a bit that my nail desk on the left top shelf is a little bit disarrayed, so please ignore that, but it's because I needed some storage items. So everything will be nice and neat and put away soon enough, so just be patient with me. And the next item that I got is this really pretty storage item that I want to put my nail brushes in. I absolutely love Temu storage items. They're really nice. Like, for the price, you'd think they'd be cheap and flimsy, but I absolutely love them. So I highly recommend you guys go ahead and purchase these items from Temu. And then this item right here, I wanted to get it because I wanted to go ahead and put my application kit items in it. It was a lot smaller than what I expected, but it's okay. I'm pretty sure I didn't pay attention to the size myself, so that could be just my fault. I'm pretty sure they have different sizes. And as you can see, I'm going to be putting my little nail files, my nail glue, my buffers, but it was small, so my nail buffers are going to take up a lot of room, but it's okay. I'm not complaining about the item at all. That is completely my fault, but it still looks good. I still am anxious to go ahead and put all my application kit items in here, and if you could see the holes in the back, you can hang it. I'm just going to put it on top of my storage items. So next is this really pretty Lazy Susan, and it's, oh my god, it's so pretty. Like, I wasn't expecting it to look so nice. And excuse me, there's actually no instructions for this that I saw. I mean, I didn't see anything in my box, so it was pretty self-explanatory. But you just put that, that stick on top, which holds the umbrella, and it has hooks, so you can hook jewelry and stuff on it. But as you know, I am going to be using it for my nail stuff, so it was really nice. It was really easy to put together, very nice quality. And I'm trying to zoom out the camera so you could really see, because my desk is really small. But I am just gonna go ahead and put more of my most used gel polishes on here, my most used, just all my most used nail products where it's easy for me to reach, easy for me to access. All these Temu storage items just have came in so much handy, and it's all just making my desk coming together so well, so nicely. And finally, my desk is gonna look so nice and organized. As you can see, that's how my desk looks a little bit in the background. And pretty soon I'm gonna get rid of those blue baskets. Everything I want on my desk is gonna be from Temu. So just stay tuned for future videos for more storage items. Hopefully you're enjoying these longer videos. And last but not least, oh, I could not wait to open these gel polishes. This was what I wanted so bad. So I love looking for different color nudes for when I'm doing French tip nail designs, and this was an absolute steal. You get buy 3 get 3 free for $10.99, and these oh, these colors are just so gorgeous. And the bottles, I'm always seeing other girls or other women, you know, buy these really fancy bottles from Temu, and I finally got that opportunity, and I absolutely am so impressed with these were just gorgeous. And I am gonna go ahead and swatch them off camera for you, but just admire the bottles. Like, they're just so amazing, they're beautiful. I happen to like the extra long handles. That to me was a definite plus. And they are 15 ml, so that makes it even, you know, greater. And the design of the bottles, they're just so pretty. So I highly suggest you go ahead and hit that link in the description box and just visit their website and just take a look, you know, and just see what you find and see what might catch your eye and try it out, because they do offer free returns on your order, free shipping, and it is a very safe place to purchase. They're very private with your, you know, with your personal information, and I have no complaints with Temu. If I did have something to return, it wasn't because the quality wasn't there. It was just because I picked the wrong size, or nothing has came damaged. Anything that I've ever ordered, nothing has came damaged. Yeah, the box was a little dented up, but nothing's been broken. I'm very impressed with Temu, so I highly recommend you guys go ahead and purchase your nail items or household items, pet supplies, men's shoes, anything, clothing, you name it, it's on there. So just go ahead and take a look at it. And here's the swatched colors. Like I said, I did go ahead and do it off camera. They're so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to use these. And they're so affordable. $10.99 for 6 big bottles. Go ahead and snatch you up some of these gel polishes. I highly recommend them. They leveled it out so easily. There was no harsh smell, and they are just so pretty. So here's a look really quick of everything that I got in today's haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed looking at everything. And please stay tuned to the end of the video, because I'm actually going to be going ahead and giving you some details about my giveaway that's coming up. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, you guys, so stay tuned for that, okay? So thank you so much, Teemu, for this haul. I really appreciate it. And now, getting started with the video, I am just going to go ahead and use these full cover almond nail tips that I got from Teemu in a previous haul. I'll be sure to link that in the card so that you can check that out if you haven't already. And I really like these tips because they're already pre-etched on the inside, and I still have not tried these yet with nail glue to see how long they last. I have not done my nails in so long, and it's been so like frustrating that I haven't done them, but oh well, I'm just creating content and I don't got time to do my own nails, and it's fine. I'm having so much fun making all these videos for you guys. So make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me for the algorithm, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, please. I am going to be doing a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers, so you need to be subscribed and have a thumbs up on my video to be entered. That's 2 of the rules that I will be explaining later on in the video, so stay tuned for that. And I did go ahead and base coat and prime my nails before I applied this builder gel that I got in my previous haul, and as you can see, it does level out really nicely after I tipped it over upside down. And I did go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. It did have a tacky layer, so I did go ahead and wipe that off with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe. And now I'm going to go ahead and take this number 4, and I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 coats, 2 really thin coats, and I'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds in between each coat, and then I'll be back here in a bit. Okay, now it's time for the fun part. I'm gonna exactly what I've been wanting all this time, using magnetic gels. I've been really enjoying Korean nail designs. I think they're just so unique and just so gorgeous, and this is what the look is that I want to achieve. So I highly recommend you get this magnetic wand. It helps out so much. Just look at that effect. Man, Teemu, I am just absolutely amazed with your products. Thank you so much. I absolutely love them. I highly recommend you guys go ahead and purchase the magnetic gels, the wand, just everything. Just go crazy on Teemu. Their products are amazing. So I'll go ahead and let you watch this process. I'll go ahead and do all the nails, and then I'll cure for 60 seconds, and I'll be back here in a bit. Okay, now it's time for the juicy details about the giveaway, which I know you guys are still here watching because you want to know about that part, right? So go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know that you're still here. You can leave a butterfly emoji, or if you're feeling generous, you can go ahead and leave a comment, anything you want to say about the video. Just leave something in the comment section so that I know that you're still here supporting my channel. Thank you so much. So the rules are, first of all, it is going to be US only giveaway. Okay, unfortunately, I am not able to do international shipping right now. I can't do it for the giveaway. I'm so sorry. I do appreciate all my international subscribers though. Please know that. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you equally. It's just the giveaway is just going to be US only. And you do need to be subscribed to my channel. You need to make sure that you thumbs up the videos. Okay, whenever you're watching my videos, make sure you give them a big thumbs up. Leave a comment, any emoji, anything is fine. I'm perfectly happy with it. Okay, and then just go ahead and make sure that you do that for all of my videos so that when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will go ahead and give you the details of what I am going to be giving away. It is going to be a combination of press-on nails that I have made, some products for you to use for yourself to do nails at home, and it's just going to be really, really nice stuff. So I highly recommend you share my videos with others out there that you know likes nail content, and encourage them to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you all so much, and me and my husband are just so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much for being here, taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. It's been so much fun making these videos for you guys. Sorry, excuse me. Me and my husband are having some allergy problems right now, and I'm sorry, I have to keep clearing my throat, but we're getting over it little by little each day. So anyways, thank you so much again to all of you, and please make sure that you comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you hit that like button, and that way it pushes my content out in the algorithm for others out there to seek my videos. And I just want to make sure that I'm helping others out there, like I have watched other nail ladies help me be in this spot that I am today. And I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.